Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for Estonian University scholarships for the session 2026-2027. These are fully funded PhD research positions in animal science and grazing system research. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply? How do you process the application to Estonian University of Life Sciences? That too with the fully funded PhD position. Before we discuss about this opportunity, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. Do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this fully funded scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our websites, fullscholarships.net or cashmere.com. You can click on them and it will take you to our website here. Meanwhile, you can directly message our team on Instagram and ask for the link, or you can check out posts there, and links are given in the respective descriptions. And once you are on our website, you can read about this Estonian University of Life Sciences fully funded scholarship. And we have summarized some of the details here. You can see project title is already given. So research topic you have already predefined. So you have to work on that. And the funding position will be also interdisciplinary, not limited to the project title, but it will be available in animal sciences, veterinary medicine, ecology, environmental science, agronomy, precision agriculture, and livestock nutrition, remote sensing technologies. Besides that, research project overview will be on the livestock production, biodiversity, carbon cycling, and other likewise projects. Then this PhD project seeks to fulfill existing research gaps by integrating drone-based multispectral imaging, GPS livestock tracking, laboratory grass composition analysis, and other spectrums. Then benefits, you'll be getting a fully funded doctoral position, supervision by experienced academic researchers, access to advanced monitoring technologies and labs, and eligibility criteria, you should have a academic background in one of the any of fields related here, and ideal candidates interested in data-driven agriculture research, motivation for interdisciplinary research. Procedure, you have to submit an online application through the portal. You should submit it between 1st of the June. That's the deadline. Documents, you need to have transcripts, degree certificate, your resume or CV, research motivation statement, or you can say research proposal or motivation letter, then the proof of academic qualifications and other documents that are required by the university portal. Why should you apply for this? One of the best opportunities, as this is the peak of livestock farming, or you can say GPS monitoring, drone monitoring for the agriculture and this livestock sector. So in order to start application, you can see they have also given the contact details of the department who is hosting the position. You can see Francesa Carnwell, junior professor in animal welfare from the chair of animal nutrition from the Institute of Veterinary Medicine and Animal Sciences, Estonian University of Life Sciences. So his email is also given, so you can contact him or her, so that you write him or her that you are willing to apply for this position. This fascinates you to apply, so that you should mention all the sections here on the email, and once acknowledged by professor, you can also that's the best thing you should do for applying to any of the research positions. Contacting, writing an email to, exchanging a mail to professor is one of the best key winning points in the application. To start application, scroll down here, you can see click here to apply. Click on this link, and once you click on that, you can see the Estonian University of Life Sciences official website is here. You can see doctoral studies. You can go for other research as well, but this position is particularly for the PhD position. And you can see admissions to PhD. Click on this here and scroll down. You can see all details. Now, in order to start application, you have to apply through Dream Apply. So click on this link here, and once you hit that, it will open the official Study in Estonia website, Estonian University of Life Sciences programs, veterinary medicine, MSc programs in environmental governances and adaptation to climate change, landscape architecture, and likewise the PhD is available in these subjects. Now we'll just choose any of the PhD positions here. You can see in engineering sciences, environmental sciences, agriculture sciences. So we'll go with this veterinary medicine and food science. So click on that. You can see application closing on 1st of June 2026. 4 years of program, and there's no tuition. So in order to start applying, click on this apply now. Now once you are here, you have to log in for the first time. You can use Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn, and simply log in. So let me log in and come back. You can see I have successfully logged in. I have some previous application details here. Just I'll clone my application here so that most of the details will be auto filled. We can see the program that I have select, and then profile. Enter your details here like first name, last name, then your passport number, you can say, or national identification number, and your gender, your citizenship, date of issue of the passport, expiry date of the passport, your date of birth, place of birth. Have been admitted to any higher education institution in Estonia before? So no, we have not been there. And now go to next section. That's the contact section. Your email address, phone number, postcode, home address, contact, emergency details. Then your bachelor's degree details. Where was your completed your secondary school education? You can mention that here. After that, language, your native language, you can mention that. Then employment, if you have any experiences, you can mention that. Activities, any sports activities, hobbies you have, you can mention that. Then residences, we have no other residences rather than our full time. Now enter reference details, so you have to get the reference from your faculties. Then a motivation letter, and then documents. So one by one you have to submit the documentation here, and then checklist, other source of information. How did you heard about this program? Click on checklist. So if there's an application fee, you need to pay. First you need to complete this. Let me check if it is enough. So we have done here. Let's go to next section. Okay, then go to checklist, and you can see there's an application fee. I have paid the fee and attach the proof. You can attach that. Let me attach the proof. And here I'll mention that. Now I'll close this. So once you are ready, you can submit. After signature, click on submit. Some errors, click on other section. How did you heard about this? Okay, supervisor name you have to mention, and then click on submit. Let's see what's missing. Go to education. Nominal length of the program, so it's a 3 years program to 4 years program. I'll mention 4 here. Now let's click on submit. Any errors will be mentioned here. You can see application was submitted successfully. Unresolved tasks, so let's go there. English language requirements, you can submit your test scores here or medium of instruction. Then documents and passport. So you can see, now go to message here, and your application has been successfully submitted. So that's it. Any offers you will have, you'll review it in the offer section here. Any offers you made to you, you'll check that. As of now, you can see application is being processed, no offers yet. And also you'll receive an email. Let me show you that. So in email, almost same detail will be there, that you have successfully submitted the application to Estonia, and that's it. In case you have any confusion, ask us in the comment section below. write in the comment section or directly visit our website fullscholarships.net. It's the easiest way to reach us, or directly message on our Instagram. Our team is there to assist you. With this, I'm signing off for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.